Hey, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know fake Minecraft facts you still believe to this day. The myth that a netherite pickaxe is the fastest pickaxe in the game. It's actually not. An unenchanted gold pickaxe is actually the fastest in some situations. Another myth is you should mine for diamonds on Y level 11. Wrong. The best levels to find diamonds after the Caves and Cliffs update is between Y level -53 and -59. The myth that you can eventually break bedrock if you mine it for a very long time is not true. Bedrock has a hardness value of -1 in the game's code. This means it's impossible to break this block. The myth that you should never dig straight down in Minecraft is actually wrong. Over 64% of the time, nothing dangerous happens when digging straight down. A safer method, however, is to alternate mining between two blocks. Another myth is that endermen don't like water at all. This is not true. While endermen avoid rain in water buckets, they can stand in a water-filled cauldron without taking damage or teleporting. Another myth is that reinforced deep slate is the toughest block to mine, and you can pick it up with silk touch. The truth is that whilst it's the toughest to mine, reinforced deep slate cannot be picked up at all, even with silk touch. Another myth is that mobs can't kill you if you hide in sugarcane. Well, the truth is this used to be a bug in older versions before 1.9, but this has since been fixed. Another myth is that mining ore with fortune tree enchantment gives you more XP in addition to more items. The truth is, the fortune enchantment only affects the number of items dropped, not the amount of XP. Another popular myth is that the warden is blind. The truth is that when viewed in spectator mode, the warden sees the world the same way the player does. It's not actually blind. Another myth is that a high clicks per second rate is a significant advantage in PvP, especially in Legacy 1.8 servers. Well, the truth is, focusing too much on CPS can worsen your aim. Timing and game sense are more important. Another myth is that you can stack different types of slabs together normally. The truth is, stacking different slabs visually is an illusion created by pushing them together at the world border. I hope I was able to help you set up your server. If you need any further assistance, don't hesitate to comment down below or contact our support. Bye guys.